Okay, so let's talk about Ransom node. So you're given two strings, Ransom node and magazine. So you have to return true if the Ransom node can be constructed from magazine and false otherwise. And later, each letter in magazine can only be used once in Ransom node. So if you look at example, right? Example 1 is pretty simple. It's definitely false. Example 2 is false because there are two letter A, but you only have one in magazine, right? This is why you return false. And example 3, easy. You have 2A and you have 2A, right? So let's talk about how I do it. I will use the in the array to store the number of the letter, the frequency in my in array. So I'm gonna code new int 26. Okay, so the constraint actually tell you only consist of lowercase English letter. So what I would do, I would traverse the stream magazine first and store it into my in array, and later on I would traverse the Ransom node and to see if I have the frequency number to deduct. If not, I will return false. So here's it. So int I equals 0, I less than magazine.length a plus plus. I do have an index equal to magazine chart at I subtract by the character A and store into my in array, and I increment by 1 because this is the frequency count, right? Then I need to traverse Ransom node dot dot length I plus plus, and this is going to be exactly the same idea. I'm using a Ransom node instead, and I will have to find out if my array index is actually equal to 0. I will return false. Otherwise, I will just decrement by 1 because you need that character to be deduct. Otherwise, when you loop on the second one, right? There is a problem, right? So at the end, you just return true. This is how I actually did it. And let me run a code, and alright, I do have a problem. So I less than Ransom node dot length, and here we go, and pretty good. So let's talk about time and space. So for the time, it's all of n, right? You can okay, it's not all of n. It's a maximum between the magazine string and Ransom node. So it's all of m or either all of r, right? So I mean, you know my idea. Which one is longer? Then that will be the time complexity. For space is constant, is 26, and that will be the solution. And if you like the video, leave a comment, leave a like if you want it, and subscribe channel if you want. And I will see you next time. Bye.